said, it was an Anheuser-Busch crate. There's a door down here. I can see it. Hello? Is anyone in here? Where's this? So to think that if I had not received this email from the person that wants to remain nameless, I probably would have forgotten to tell you guys the story about this very location, about this very night, back, well, like I said, 1990. So as you can see, there was a massacre, the Ohio chainsaw kinda massacre. Once again, am I gonna do an unboxing here? Hell no, we're taking this puppy back to my place. But it's been one hell of an adventure, that's for sure. I honestly thought I was gonna get my butt killed back there at that shed. That was a creepy place, but here it is. So let's go check this bad boy out. Here I am. Can you guys see that? I don't know. All right, now I'm kind of, I guess, doing things blindly through the camera. Let's see. What else? What do we have here? I remember this now. This is... You've got to be kidding me. This is it. This is what I have been... Okay, I'll show you guys in better detail what this is here in a minute. This was the trench coat. Yeah. Pretty messed up. Really? Oh my God. I forgot all about this thing. Do you see it? What the hell does he got this? That's it. Why is there... Okay. That's it. Okay, I'm kind of questioning this right now myself, okay? What the... I'm trying to make sure it's it's focusing. I'm sorry, guys. But so yeah, that's what I wore that night. This mask. This is the big ordeal. Okay. That's it. That's the mask. You know what? I should take this inside to show you guys a little bit more. You know what? Nah, to heck with it. Okay. If I remember correctly, oh, this thing is nasty. If I remember correctly, this mask, I got some scissors here. Let me try to, there was no, whatever, denim to it. But this mask right here was what I wore that night to scare the hell out of the people. It obviously, as you could tell, it's a leather face. It is if I remember correctly, a Don Post leather face. It's not obviously from the original one. I think it was, I don't know. It's been such a long time. If anybody out there knows more about this, if you recognize this off the bat, please feel free to share your knowledge. But all I know was at the time, I wanted a mask. I wanted to do something in the Leatherface genre to scare the hell. I just wish I had the chainsaw, honestly. The chainsaw is what I was kind of hoping. Granted, that box is kind of small, but I was really hoping the chainsaw, I was going to find that. But then again, I was really intimidated inside this adventure that I was set on. So, yep, that's it. I'm honestly surprised on how well this thing has held up over the years. It's not that, well, it's supposed to be a Leatherface mask. But I believe it is, if I remember, it was a Dom Post. Does it say anything in here? No. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. River City Films, if that helps any. But yeah, that's the ugly mask. But also, to let you guys know, it wasn't just this that I wore. I put like stockings over the face to kind of disguise it, to give it more an effect. Did my own thing, I guess you could say. So yeah, I hope to God that I didn't disappoint the hell out of you guys, but I had a lot of fun shooting this video. A lot of fun telling you guys the story of what happened that night. It really did happen. I'm just very thankful that I didn't get hurt or no one got hurt that night, obviously. So, yeah, that's it. You're probably thinking, I can't believe I sat through watching the Ohio Chainsaw Massacre to this part. Well, you know. Yeah, pretty awesome stuff. I mean, it is what it is, right? Maybe I could do something with it. It stinks, but it is what it is. So, you know what? Thank you guys for watching. Thanks to all of you out there that's been subscribing to this channel. Let me see if I can zoom back a little bit. You know, I did put the wide angle lens on. So yeah, thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate all your wonderful comments, all the sharing, all the thumbs up. And if I could think of any other events that happened to my life, I'll do my best to try to show you guys at another little adventure film. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Take care. And I'm going to put this stuff up before my neighbors think I'm crazy. I think they already realize that. But then again, I do have a nice privacy fence back here. So, put yourself back in a time when you were young, when you were naive, and you're out riding around with your friends, and you stop to help someone. And during the event, there is a voice from afar, a voice coming from the shrubs. Is it a singing bush? No. It's a very angry individual who's threatening them all, and as he approaches them with a object, a chainsaw, not only are they frightened from that sound of that chainsaw, but a man's face that looks just like this. Now today, it's not very intimidating, but it was a night I'll never forget. That's for sure. Woo! I'm glad I had a chance to share that story with you guys. I'm glad I had a chance to at least show you that ugly, hideous mask.
But it was a great time. It actually did happen. So that was my, I guess you could say, the Ohio Chainsaw kinda massacre. Till next time, I'll see you soon.